Frasers Group, a fearless collection of the world's most iconic sporting, luxury, and retail brands, partnered with FORTNA to solve a critical challenge. With a vision to build the planet's most admired and compelling brand ecosystem, they needed a way to scale warehouse operations within the limits of their UK distribution centre. Despite spanning an impressive 3 million square feet, space was tight. Processes were manual, and with every new store, brand, or e-commerce surge, pressure was added to its operations. Together with FORTNA, Frasers Group set out to design and deliver a game-changing strategy to unlock productivity, efficiency, and a true competitive advantage.
The elevation strategy was here to take the business to the next level. So the automation were here to help us enable all that, create space for increasing number of SKU, increase the storage, and of course the efficiency of the warehouse.
Acting as one accountable partner for both operational design and end-to-end system delivery, FORTNA worked with Frasers Group to develop a multi-step, multi-year integration roadmap to optimize and elevate the distribution center. The goal, simple yet ambitious: create a new benchmark, a system that flexes with shifting priorities and supports one of Europe's most dynamic retailers. Within the existing footprint, 4 advanced technologies each play to their strengths. An AS/RS shuttle warehouse enables fast storage and retrieval and serves as a sequencer for the entire operation. A large-scale AutoStore installation provides high-density storage and goods-to-person picking. Geekplus AMRs manage specialized processing of hanging garments and luxury goods. And high-speed, high-capacity sorters form the operational backbone, connecting all functional areas with precision. FORTNA, in collaboration with Frasers Group, selected the best fit technologies and integrated them into one unified, powerful ecosystem. A 22-aisle shuttle warehouse designed not only for high-velocity picking with 14,000 dual cycles per hour, but also acting as a load balancer across automated systems and directing inbound cartons straight to retail sortation.
We had the ability to bring things in from inbound, buffer them in our storage shuttle, and then send them right to the retail pick. So 2 touches and we are headed to the truck and out the door, which is a great advantage for us here with the kind of volume we turn through this DC.
One of the world's largest AutoStore systems, featuring 555 robots, managing over 1 million SKUs and presenting up to 8,500 bins per hour.
And then it allows us to seamlessly pick from the AutoStore for e-com and retail, pull it together with our faster moving SKUs, and seamlessly get those orders out the door.
114 Geekplus AMRs, handling non-conveyable and high-valuable inventory and hanging garments.
So we were able to use this shelf-based AMR system through Geekplus to solve 2 problems. We were able to consolidate a garment on hanger system that was spread all over the building with high-value goods, and we were able to take our oversized product that won't fit in our standard goods-to-person systems and combine that into one effort. We were able to consolidate those 2 operations into one picking area. It gave us high security and an efficient picking rate.
And advanced sorting technology, ensuring speed and accuracy at scale.
Here at the Crossbelt Sorter, we are enabling retail sortation of units directly into a cage destined for stores. We're servicing around 1,033 stores. We're enabling a 12,400 units an hour sortation per sorter, resulting in nearly 24,000 units per hour that we sort.
Turning a heterogeneous mix of highly specialized components into one integrated system is an art. At the core sits the FORTNA WES, the Warehouse Execution System, with the ability to orchestrate people, processes, and technology. It is designed to create a seamless flow, maximizes performance, and dynamically adapts fulfillment strategies in real time. What started as a modernization project has evolved into one of the UK's most advanced distribution centers. The impact has been transformative. 24/7 omnichannel operations across 3 shifts, a 40% reduction of manual picking labor, the capacity to process up to 2.2 million e-commerce orders, and 12.2 million units in retail peak months. The redesigned infrastructure is no longer a constraint, continuously adapting to a fast-moving, ambitious business model. Moving forward, FORTNA continues to partner with Frasers Group, delivering lifecycle services and driving operational reliability, resilience, and system performance. From a constrained manual warehouse to a high-performing automated distribution powerhouse.
Today, in this 3 million square foot warehouse, We are providing to our customer more than 450,000 SKU. Going forward, our main target is to be more efficient, more productive, but equally to be listening to our customer and be able to provide what they require from us. And for that, FORTNA have been a good partner.
Built for speed, designed for scale. This is how Frasers Group and FORTNA are redefining distribution performance.